Able to tell we're in the midst of a pandemic if it weren't for the masks that most everyone is wearing. But Governor DeWine says it's what happens when people are at home that's causing the spread.
And time after time, it comes down to people just not being cautious.
Governor DeWine said he, quote, blew up his schedule Friday to travel across the state and warn communities about the increased spread of the coronavirus. Both the governor and people on the street say it's easy to see what's causing some of the spread.
Well, I think the cause of blame is them 3 dudes walking down the street right there without no masks on. That's the blame.
We don't have the mask compliance up high enough, and we just got to get it up higher. But I can't control that. That's the decision that every Ohioan has to make.
But 7 months into the pandemic, COVID fatigue is real.
They're done with quarantining. They're sick and tired of wearing the masks, and they just are being careless.
I'm not immune to this, cabin fever myself. I mean, just coming out and trying to spend some time away from the house this weekend.
While DeWine wouldn't rule out new health orders in the future, he questioned how much good they would do.
We have no way of controlling what people are doing where we're seeing the most spread. We're seeing the most spread in their own houses, in their own backyards. I'm sick of it. I know everybody else is sick of it. But we have to learn to live with it. And I look at this as an entree to freedom.
Despite the spike, the governor says he's actually still looking at relaxing regulations on restaurants and bars that have been impacted by that 10 p.m. last call. He says the groups have made a good case that at least inside those establishments, rules are enforced, limiting the spread. Local for you in the Short North, Alan Henry, NBC4.